Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow your voice to be shared in your friends' video clips or their live streams. So just on the home screen here, if we are in a party chat with them, we can easily go to party audio settings right here and select this. And then go on down to where it says allow voice to be shared and go to always allow. Now to include into like video clips and other things like that, if we go back to home screen and then we go to settings, we want to go on down to where it says sharing and broadcast. Then under here, go to audio sharing settings right here. Then we can go to the top option, include microphone, audio, and video clips, and check mark that. Then include microphone, audio, and broadcast, select that, and then share party audio. Video clips and broadcasts will include all audio from players in the party who allow their voices to be shared. So make sure you go to the party settings and allow your voice to be shared, and then go to this section right here to include in video clips and broadcasts. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.